Unbox your MeteorShower and lay out the parts ready for assembly. These parts will include cable ties, misting tube, hose adapters, and both the soaker and mister attachments. To begin, connect a standard garden hose and run it to the base of the trampoline. Choose one of the net poles to be your designated connection point. Climb inside the trampoline with the misting tube and unravel to locate the capped nozzle end. Starting with this nozzle, begin at your designated connection point and feed the misting tube through the safety net sleeve in any direction. Then thread it into the adjacent sleeve, continuing the process the entire way around the safety net until you reach the starting sleeve where you began. Move around the safety net, adjusting each nozzle to sit evenly between the sleeves. Secure the misting tube by attaching 2 cable ties to the carbon fibre rods, one on either side of the nozzle. You can then twist the nozzles to direct the spray as required. Choose either the soaker or the mister attachment and screw one gently into each nozzle. Be careful not to over-tighten. The mister releases a fine mist, whereas the soaker emits a broader spray. Pass the remaining length of misting tube over top of the safety net, then wrap down and around the designated pole on the outside of the trampoline. At the base of the net pole, connect the MeteorShower tube and garden hose together using the hose adapter pieces. Your MeteorShower is now complete. Get ready, it's time to jump your way through a MeteorShower.